This page is all about restaurants and cafes near my home. There are lots of different restaurants in Britain: Chinese, Indian, Italian, Greek, Turkish. Click on one. Go on. This is a Chinese restaurant near my house. We like to come here for birthdays.
I like Chinese food. It's my favourite.
William, is my camera here? It is here! You've got it again! What's that?
It's about restaurants. Look.
This is an Italian restaurant. We eat lots of spaghetti at home.
Hey, this is our favourite cafe. Oh no, there's no video on this webpage.
I know. We can go to the cafe and make a video now. Here's my dad's camera. I'm hungry. Can I come too? I've got some money.
Hello, can I help you?
Can I have a strawberry and vanilla ice cream, please?
How much are the ice creams?
They're £1.50.
Oh, okay. Can I have a chocolate ice cream, please?
And can I have a cheese and tomato pizza? I'm really hungry. How much is a milkshake?
£1.75.
What flavours have you got?
Chocolate, banana, strawberry and vanilla.
Can I have a banana milkshake, please? And can I have an orange juice, please?
And can I have a lemonade?
A cheese and tomato pizza, 2 ice creams, 1 banana milkshake, 1 orange juice and 1 lemonade.
And how much is that?
That's £8.40, please.
I've got £8, but I haven't got 40 pence. I haven't got any money. William has never got any money. This pizza's really good. It's a great cafe. Is the ice cream good, Jasmine? What? You've got ice cream on your nose. It's for the website.